Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video so others can see it. Alright, so here's what I have for you today in the news. I'm just gonna over news I missed. So Ether price breaks out to $1,750, and of course the Ethereum network has been seeing too many high gas fees. And I don't know why this is just a surprise to so many people. It's been like this for years, for like 4 or 5 years. But of course, the thing I love about Ethereum is that the guys behind Ethereum are doing a pretty good job to solve this problem and get Ethereum 2.0 out as soon as possible. But for now, Ethereum is unusable, right? Instead of doing something on Ethereum, you could rather do it on Binance Smart Chain, or you could do it on Tron. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can show you guys a list of blockchains where you can actually just build your smart contracts on and just let it go. Now, EOS, Telos, Proton Chain, Hedera Hedge Graph, Tron, XLM. Recently, there was news recently about USDT now being on XLM, and that's a smart move, right? Ethereum is practically unusable right now, pending when we have Ethereum 2.0. I'm just going to quit my WhatsApp. All right. Now, you might ask, what is the reason? Why is Ethereum so slow? Why can't it take so many transactions, and why are the fees high? Number one, Ethereum was built to want to, like, look like Bitcoin in terms of looks. Let me just put it that way. And also, Ethereum has a very slow block time, right? So it takes 15 seconds for a new block to be produced, thereby making a lot of transactions stand in the queue for too long, right? And Bitcoin's own is worst, 600 seconds. Pretty unusable, right? So these are cryptocurrencies currently that you can't use for the future. Ether Hash Graph had a lot of hype, and I was really looking forward to seeing what Hedera Hash Graph would be, but despite the hype, is it hype? Well, yeah, it was a hype. Hype in a positive way. I'm not trying to say it in a negative way, right? So many people were talking about it, so that's just what I mean by hype. But its block time is still extremely small, right? So 1 second, right? So if you're looking for blockchains that are ready for the future, of course, you're seeing them. 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. EOS, Telos, Proton are light years ahead of Hedera Hash Graph, Tron, Stellar, light years ahead of Ethereum in terms of capacity. What else? And even DOT. I don't know why Polkadot is not on this list, but moving on to the next use. Crypto custodian Protego gets national charter from the OCC. Well, this is good news. The Protego joins Anchorage as the first string of digital asset firms to get national trust bank licensing. Right. So I remember when cryptocurrency started, no one would have ever believed that one day, banking and cryptocurrency would be a thing. But hey, if you're watching this video, that's a red flag. Don't ever, I repeat, don't ever keep your cryptocurrency in the bank. In a couple of years, in a couple of months, banks will start offering crypto related service. Hey, you can keep your cryptocurrency with us. That defeats the purpose why not Satoshi Nakamoto made Bitcoin, right? So you are supposed to be your own bank. Now, remember what email did to post office, how that right now we don't need post office anymore to send messages, right? We don't need post office to send any of those stuff's information. Now you can do that on WhatsApp or email. That's the same thing blockchain and cryptocurrency is doing to the financial world, right? These things like this are going to keep happening, but it's a red flag for me. But am I trying to say we don't need regulation? Yeah, we need regulation, because without regulation, the world is going to tear itself down, right? A popular guy once said, man is wicked enough to kill himself, right? So if we don't have regulations, there will be a lot of bad things happening in the world, because people will found a lot of useless things, and let's just move on. In another news, going failess is the only way to enable blockchain adoption. And I've been saying this exact same thing for a couple of years, right? You can't have a blockchain that has fees for every transaction that is ready for the future. Now, let me say that in another way. Any blockchain that has fees for every transaction is not ready for the future, right? And I've been saying this exact same since 2017, 2018, 2019. All right, that takes me back to one of the posts I made in 2019. I said, I was talking to this friend of mine. I told him, remember my list? Blockchains of the future, we have, number one, human readable addresses, no fees, block time of less than 0.5 seconds, finality of 0.5 seconds. I actually wrote 5 seconds, but it's supposed to be 0.5 seconds. And guess what? Currently in the entire crypto space, just one blockchain has all these functionalities, right? And I think I made another post. Let me see if I can quickly just get it out quickly. I said here, I said this post was made in 2019 on a Wednesday. I said transaction fees for every action on a dApp building blockchain kills user experience, right? And pending when the whole crypto space comes to the truth that everything I'm saying is true, let's just keep doing what we're doing. Right, so in the last news, Block Tower's Capital CIO estimates another 9 to 22 months of bull run for crypto. Now, this is no-brainer because cryptocurrency is gaining a mainstream adoption. You know, we've seen a lot of celebrities. Soulja Boy lately has been talking about Bitcoin. He even talked about Doge, right? A celebrity from Nigeria named Davido also talked about Bitcoin and how he wants to start a Bitcoin company, right? So we're definitely going to see Bitcoin get to $100,000 to $400,000, and Ethereum is going to get to $5,000. That's for sure. EOS might get up to $20 to $50 or $100, and just make sure that you get enough of this cryptocurrency for yourself. Don't go and sell your properties to buy Bitcoin except you have another source of income. All right, but do make sure you stack, a lot of cryptocurrencies, right? And just get ready for the bull run, because this next bull run will make a lot of people really, really rich. All right, guys, so that's what I have for you today. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video.